You don't remember what happened? What do you mean? You don't remember the war? Don't give me that crap. I'm talking on the cell phone. I can't use this crap right now. I'm crying or something. You want me to come over there now? To be safe? Alright, I guess I can make something happen. Those over here? Yeah? This is just another stupid trick, isn't it? Come out all the way in the middle of nowhere. Get nothing. Walked all this way. Oh god, I'm getting tired. Alright, I'll have to find some way to camp out. Yeah, over there seems nice. This is a beautiful spot. Looking up at the beautiful stars. That's my friends. Who was that? Hello? Anybody out there? Hello? Hello? Johnny, is that you? I don't like playing games, man. Johnny? Johnny? Boom! Oh my god! Johnny! Are you video? I think it's alright. Alright, let's go check it out. Run! Now! Faster! Run! Oh. Run! And it's going right. It's right there. What do you mean it's right there? Ah! Oh god, it's like some kind of humor. Dad, what's going on? Good. No, my beautiful camera. I don't like that camera. Don't fall, please, camera. Please. You were right. There was something out there. And it's just gonna come for you. Someone help. Anybody can get this live feed. Someone help. Oh god, no!